Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wondered how to quickly create a sleek, professional-looking blog homepage using Webflow, today's step-by-step tutorial is exactly what you need. By the end of this video, you'll have a strong grasp of how to get started with Webflow sites, pick the right starting point, and begin personalizing your very own blog homepage, even if you're brand new to the platform. Let's jump right into it. The very first thing we need to do is make sure you're set up to add a blog post in Webflow. Now, when you're building a blog, the core element is obviously the content, but just as important is having a fitting home for that content. So let's head over to Webflow and begin by creating a new site. When you click that New Site button, you're presented with a few choices. This is your starting line, and it's important to pick the path that matches your goals and comfort level. Webflow gives you several options here. Let's break them down so you know why they matter. If you want complete creative freedom and are ready to design everything from scratch, go ahead and select the blank site. Think of this like starting with a blank canvas, ideal if you have a very specific vision. On the other hand, if you want to save time and skip some of the trickier design decisions, Webflow's got you covered with templates. These are like pre-furnished apartments for your blog homepage. You can move right in and start adding your personal touches. Now, maybe you want something even faster or personalized to your taste. This is where the AI site builder comes in. Just answer a few questions about your preferences, and Webflow's AI will spin up a blog homepage designed with your needs in mind. It's like having a virtual designer working for you. But for today's tutorial, let's keep things manageable and go with a template. This is a fantastic route for beginners and even for experienced users who want to hit the ground running. I already have a template lined up, so I'm going to click on that now. When you select your template, you'll see an automatically generated site, and within it, a blog home page ready for action. Here's the magic part: Webflow templates are not static, one-size-fits-all sites. In fact, they're more like flexible blueprints. Once you've opened your template, you can easily customize every element: the homepage title, your featured articles, sidebar images, anything you want to match your brand or style. If you look closely, you'll see example blog posts, headings, navigation menus, and more. Don't hesitate to click around and explore. You can drag and drop elements, update text, swap out images, and even rearrange layouts. If something feels overwhelming, remember it's completely normal when trying a new tool. Webflow's interface is designed to let you experiment and see instant results, so you're not committing to anything until you're happy. And truly, that's all it takes to lay the foundation for your blog homepage in Webflow. From here, you can dive deeper, connect your content, tweak your styles, and really make it your own unique space on the internet. I hope this walkthrough helps you feel confident about jumping into Webflow and getting your blog homepage set up in no time. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to share your progress, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more friendly, easy-to-follow Webflow tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.